Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, MP3, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you 2017 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.